Hey ClassFit Sugar, Coach Kel here. We are going to go through a 10-minute bar workout where I'm going to show you some of the basic exercises that you'll find in a bar class. This is great for beginners or anyone who is new to bar. It's going to give you an opportunity to learn some of the techniques that we will use in a bar class. Go ahead and grab a chair to use as your bar and we are ready to get started. Go ahead and make sure that you have a chair on a solid, stable surface. We're going to be holding onto the chair for some balance and stability, and you want to make sure that it's not going to slide around or move on you. We're going to stand with one side to the chair, or if it makes you more comfortable, you can even stand facing the chair with both hands on the bar. Now, bar is a very ballet-inspired workout, so one of the most common exercises you'll see is a plie. So let's start in a first position. You're gonna take your heels together, toes turned out to the side, wherever your natural turnout is. Don't feel like you have to force it and make perfect turnout like a dancer. We just want what's natural to you. We're gonna start by bending the knees and stretching. A plie is kind of a fancy way for just saying bending your knees. So you can do this in several different positions. This is first position, and you will definitely see this one in a bar class. Good, keep your heels on the floor for this one, and squeeze the inner thighs to come up. Now, one of the most common mistakes we see with a plie is sticking that booty out, dropping the chest forward. In ballet and in bar, with these exercises, you want to think about keeping your shoulders stacked right on top of the hips. All right, let's do a couple more just like this. And now we're gonna add on from here. So you're gonna plie down, lift the heels up, then we're gonna stretch and lower. Plie, heels up, stretch, and lower. Good, these basic plie moves are really great for those of you who are new to bar and maybe need to go over the basics, fundamental technique. Plie, heels up and down. So at this point, you should feel some heat coming to the thighs. We are working the quads, and you can even activate the glutes by squeezing the glutes as you stretch the knees. So right here, squeeze and lower. Let's do two more just like this. And last time, plie, heels up and down. Good, come into that plie and hold it right here. Lift the heels up, and then we're gonna walk the feet together so the heels are touching. Think about pushing your heels into each other. We're gonna take tiny pulses, down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. You'll see pulses in most bar classes. This is a great way to burn out those muscles. A little extra spicy burn, working on your muscular endurance. Let's go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. Come all the way up, lower the heels down, and we are going to face the bar and do a tabletop position. You'll usually see this move in a bar class as well. To set up for this one, you're gonna put both hands on the bar, and we're gonna take a big step away from the bar and come into a flat back position. Keep the knees soft here, and think of pulling the navel toward the spine. We wanna activate the core because it's gonna protect the lower back as we lift the leg behind us. So let's start with that left leg. You're gonna tap that toe on the floor behind you. Turn the kneecap out to the side just a little bit, and then we're gonna lift that leg up to hip height. We're gonna tap that toe down and up, down and up. Every time you lift that leg, think about squeezing the glutes. This is a really good workout for the booty, for the back, and you might feel this in that supporting leg as well. Bar beginners are usually surprised that they feel it so much in the standing side, and it's because this standing leg is working so hard to stabilize and support you as you do this movement. Good, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna add on right here, so tap it down, lift it up, then pull the heel towards the opposite shoulder. Down, up, bend, and stretch. Make sure that you're keeping the hips still. As we drop and lift the leg, you don't want to lose control of your core. So think about keeping that flat back, keeping it nice and straight. Give me two more. And last time right here, tap, lift. Now hold the leg bent, tiny pulses again, take it up and up. We can do pulses from so many different positions in bar. You'll see this exercise a lot. Feeling that little extra burn right there. Squeeze. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fondue. We're gonna bend both knees, bring it down, stretch both legs, kick it back. Take it down and up, down and up. Good, squeeze the glute as you extend that leg behind you. So this is a basic tabletop series that you'll find in a bar class. I'm really feeling it in that backside. I don't know about you guys. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it back right here. Hold 8, 7, come on, squeeze that booty. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down with control. Step in towards that bar, tap it out, and we're gonna go right into the other side. So reset the posture, take that step back again. In that tabletop position, go ahead and bend the knees slightly. Let's take the other leg up this time. Again, remember, kneecap turned out to the side. Tap it down and up, down and up. Every time you lift that leg, squeeze the glute. Now in bar, make sure you don't ever have a death grip on the bar. You don't want to hold on to it and squeeze it too tight. Work on your balance and control through your core, so it's a light touch on the bar. Good, deep breath. Let's do a few more. And let's add on right here. Tap the toe, lift it up, bend the knee, and stretch. Tap, lift, bend, and stretch. Pulling that heel towards the opposite shoulder. Now don't lose your core. Keep the navel pulling back toward the spine, just gently. Excellent job. Oh my goodness, you guys feeling the glutes? I know I am. Give me 2 more. And last time right here. Hold that knee bent. Back in with our tiny pulses. Take it up and up, up, up. I know, pulses, we love them and we hate them. 8 more counts, go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fondue. Bend both knees and then we stretch. Here we go. Take it down and up, down and up. Keep that strong tabletop position. This is one of my favorite positions to work from in bar. You're activating so many muscles right here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it back, don't move. Hold 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Excellent job, you guys. Let's go ahead and stretch that one out. Cross the ankle over the knee, push your bottom back. This is a 4 stretch right here. Should feel really good in the glute on that supporting side. And take it up, and let's do the other side. Cross that ankle over the knee, sit it back. Whew, that feels so good after that one. And lift it back up. And let's do your quads since we did all those pliés in the beginning of the workout. So you're gonna grab your foot, pull your heel towards your bottom, keep the knees together. And other side, let's switch. Excellent, and we'll do one more quick stretch on the floor for those glutes. So come down onto the mat, and from here, we're going to tuck your left leg in, cross your right leg over, then you're gonna grab that leg with the left arm, sit up tall and twist to the right. Oh, this one feels so good on that glute after all that booty work we did. And unwind quickly on the other side. Go ahead and tuck that leg in, cross the opposite leg over, grab that leg, sit up tall and twist. And go ahead and unwind. Let's just face forward with the legs crossed. Take a couple deep breaths right here. Inhale through the nose, long exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose, and long exhale out through the mouth. And inhale through the nose, long exhale out through the mouth. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Those are some of the basic exercises that you'll see in a barre class. Be sure to practice them so you can perfect your technique, and I will see you next time on ClassFit Sugar. One of our viewers asked how they can improve their hip flexibility. A second position plie is a great exercise for this, and it's something that you will usually see in a barre class. To do a second position plie, go ahead and take your legs a little bit wider than the shoulders, turn the toes out to the side, and then to plie, you'll bend the knees and lower the hips down toward the floor and squeeze the inner thighs to come up. You can practice these slowly, and you'll find that with time, you're able to get a little bit deeper into that plie and really improve your hip flexibility. If you have any more questions like this, please comment below, and one of our trainers will be sure to answer in the next video.